In this Mastering the Laser video, let's experiment on some hard but flexible plastic.
Laser Master. Master the laser.
Okay, let's change the font to Beware of High Voltage Power. Center that and change the font type and the size. So for the first run, I'm just going to leave the factory default settings on and just change the hatch settings to 0.3mm. Press F1, adjust, and F2. And off it goes. Well, that hardly did anything. It may be useful for some subtle branding, I suppose. But come on, high voltage, that needs to be like seriously pronounced. So I changed the settings as follows: the speed 150, power 80, frequency 45, and with 10 loop counts. Leave the hatching as is and engrave straight over it. That's more like it. We have achieved a dark pronounced engraving on a semi-hard plastic surface.
Laser Master. Master the laser.
At AM.CO.za, we have always taken pride in our products and customer service. Our Google rating represents our commitment to providing our clients with the best support possible. We have officially achieved a rating of 4.9 stars and an astounding 699 reviews for our Jet Park branch in Johannesburg at the end of 2020. Let's move our attention to our branch in Montague Gardens of Cape Town, where we have achieved a rating of 4.8 stars and an amazing 299 reviews. We would like to thank you, our loyal customers. Thank you, South Africa. AM.CO.za. Achievement matters.